Today on Kubota Outdoors, we're going to take you through an unboxing of this Tera Pump fuel transfer pump that's a battery powered pump and show you what it's like to use this for the first time right out of the box. Let's get to it. Chances are, if you've ever been low on fuel in your equipment and you need some diesel fuel and you do not have a larger diesel fuel tank, you've had to resort to some of the smaller diesel fuel cans. And so we're going to demonstrate a pump called the Tera Pump that's a battery powered fuel pump that essentially transfers fuel out of your fuel tank and into your machine. A little bit about this Tera Pump battery powered fuel transfer pump. It's supposed to be able to transfer about 2.4 gallons per minute with an auto stop and should fit most standard fuel cans. Right out of the box, this thing does contain 3 separate attachments for various types of cans. It also contains a motorized fuel pump with an on and off switch. This takes 4 AA batteries, as well as a nozzle where the fuel will come out, then an intake. It's basically kind of siphons the water or the fuel or whatever it is that you're working with. Included inside of the box is an operation manual. This particular model happens to be the TRFA01 operation manual for this battery powered fuel transfer pump. See the name of the parts on this diagram and in general how to use, but essentially we screw the cap on to whatever fuel can we need and then insert the siphon end of the pump into that tank and then press on. The pump itself and the hoses all come pre-assembled, so there is no assembly required on this thing. The only thing we need to do is to add some batteries, which are 4 AA's. While we're waiting for the fuel to be pumped out of our tank, you can see this white cord in here, and that basically goes to the sensor at the end of the nozzle, and then that white cord runs into the pump so that when the fuel does reach the upper level, that in theory should stop the pump.